Here's why you should never hold your sneeze. If you do, you're increasing the pressure in your head and you could end up damaging a blood vessel or even injuring your ear. So please, please don't hold it in. Instead, sneeze into a tissue, or if you don't have one, sneeze into your elbow. That way you're not damaging the delicate blood vessels in your face and head. And yes, it is possible to injure your ear from holding in a sneeze. It's called a barotrauma injury. It happens when the air pressure in your middle ear becomes too high or too low. And it can happen when you're a passenger in a car and the AC is blowing directly on your face, or if you're on an airplane and the cabin pressure changes rapidly. So if you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. If you try to hold it in, the pressure will build up and then it'll just make things worse. Want more tips? Check out our latest shorts.